Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today I'm going to unbox and review the protective case I bought for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, or the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, or the Samsung Galaxy Zeta Flip 6, pronounce it as you wish. Is the foldable from Samsung that I'm currently doing coverage of here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, and to keep it protected and to keep it safe, I purchased this case for it, which comes with a screen protector from a brand called Doeshine, or Doeshine. Not sure how to pronounce it, Doeshine. Anyway, Doeshine is this case. It's very reasonably priced at around about £10 sterling, and there is discount vouchers for it as well. So what I'll do is leave a link in the description to where you too can purchase this if you wish to. But as usual, I suggest you watch to the end of this video and find out what my conclusion is about this case. Is it worthwhile? Is it maybe a risk like the one we got for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, where the screen protector blocked the fingerprint scanner from working? Watch to the end and we'll find out. Anyway, opening the box, we have the case itself, which, as for many cases with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, is one that comes in two parts with a little extra grippy bit to keep it in place. And the top part has a screen protector built in. So what I should be able to do here is, number one, this sticker helps to remove the mask from the screen guard. Okay, so this is the mask. So before we go any further, I'll just make sure my screen is properly wiped and there's no dust on it, and so that when the screen protector goes on, it should allow me to carry on using that screen to type messages and access my phone whilst on the go. Is there an instruction booklet here? No, because it should be straightforward, right? Let's find out. So I'm going to open up the Samsung Z Flip, fold it out, take that extra screen protection off on the one side, and clip this case in above the camera module. There we go, that should be it in place. And now that's done, I can pull the back one off. That didn't work. I'm going to have to get my fingerprint under there and take that protector off. Great, so that's the top side one. Now the bottom side will be pretty much the same. I don't think I'll need the adhesive, so I'll just clip it in from the bottom. Oops. And there we go. So installation and setup is very, very easy. I quite enjoy that. It still leaves the black hinge with that lovely Samsung logo visible, but it gives it the phone a bit of protection so it won't break, hopefully. It still gives you access to your volume rocker and to the fingerprint scanner here. I can unlock my phone and access my favorite apps. I can maybe type here. Let's see how that screen protector works with typing. Obviously you saw that gestures work fine. Let's just add a little thread. Okay. This protective case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 works fine. Now you see it's not an ideal experience, but you can still typing on the cover screen. Great, so you'll see that that's posting. So yeah, I would say compared to the cover screen itself, it's a bit stickier. It's not as smooth and as nice as a normal smartphone screen. But considering this is a sort of aftermarket case at just around about £10 or under £10 with the discount voucher that's currently on Amazon, I think that's not a bad thing. You wouldn't expect an expensive oleophobic coated glass protector in the case. In terms of the usability of the phone, no impact whatsoever on the hinge or the rest of the device. It just works. So very happy with this this accessory for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. It's functional, it does its job, it protects my phone. So yes, I think this is a good case for the Samsung Z Flip 6. I would recommend buying this. Unlike other products that we've reviewed,